Okay, can we move on? Okay, table 3. Too noisy back there. Okay, ideas and events. You guys ready? Uncle Hammer's car.
Oh my god. Like, he had to give up his car so the Rangers could pay off the land.
So who can pay off the land?
I mean, the Logans could pay off the land.
Yeah. Okay, so how did the Logans almost lose the land? And you get the points.
Like Mr. Ranger said that they needed to pay 4 years worth of rent and
Right, that was right. What's that called when there's a loan?
Isn't their mortgage?
Paying it, calling in the
Calling in the mortgage.
loan. Calling in the loan. Okay. Ideas and events. Here it goes. Ready? Okay, you have 20,000. Don't buzz it. Okay. Let's see if these other ones make it. What's Reconstruction?
Reconstruction is after the Civil War and they rebuild.
Okay, so but what else happened during Reconstruction that's important?
Well, they had to,
What do the Northern soldiers have to do?
They had to go back down to the South to help them.
And okay, so what happened other than rebuilding buildings, though?
Other than they had
What do you know about Reconstruction? So I can give you some points, okay?
well, I know that that is after the war that you have to reconstruct.
they had to, the North Army had to get more supplies from the South
Okay.
people.
Well, okay, that's part of it. What was the Northern soldiers trying to do for the former slaves?
They were trying to free the slaves.
Well, they're already free because the war's over. So what do they have to do for the slaves? Free slaves.
They have to, didn't they have to keep the slaves safe?
Yes, that's it.
Oh.
That would have been it. Okay, that was 3. Okay,
What? No.
that was long. Is that only 2?
Yeah.
That was 2. Okay,
That was 3.
that was 2, I think.
That was 3.
That was 2. I'm moving on. Important people. Ready?
Important Pete.
Oh, Ruby Bridges.
She was on a bus and she refused to give up her seat to.
No, that's not Ruby Bridges.
Oh no.
Yes,
Ruby.
Ken.
She was the first white girl to go to, black girl to go to white school, and
Yeah, I know, but keep going. And?
she got all kinds of threats, but she overcame it and did really well.
Yeah, that was really good. She reminded me of Gandhi and Dr. King. Okay, switch it. Good job.
And kind of Jesus, but she prayed that.
Yeah, and she was really religious. It's pretty impressive. Okay. Important peeps for 800. Ready? Emmett Till.
He was the guy who said bye baby to a white girl and missed it, and the white Southern men didn't like that, so they beat him up and killed him. Or they shot him and threw him in the lake.
Threw him in a river. Okay. And why did it get so much attention? What ended up happening with that information? What happened? How did people find out about it? TV. It got on TV and the news. Okay. Emmett Till's. Okay. Oh, what happened to the people who went on trial for it?
They lied and they didn't have to go to jail.
I don't even know. Yeah. Well, Camden.
They said that they killed him, but there was an all-white jury, so none of the people said that to put him in jail.
Right. Okay. Important peeps.
Should I not just answer all?
Frederick Douglass.
He helped beat slaves.
Did he?
Yeah.
No.
No. Wasn't Addie Buzzard?
Two.
Frederick Douglass was like an assistant to Abraham Lincoln, and he fought for women's voting rights.
No.
Did?
He was a free peasant.
It said he fought
He
until he
wasn't-
died for
but
women's voting rights.
He traded
food for lessons to learn.
Okay, but what was the thing that he did to help everyone understand slavery? What did he do to help everyone understand about slavery? What did he do, Storm?
Oh, I didn't see that.
What did he do that helped everyone learn about slavery? Does anybody know? Do you know? Gladwin? Okay, but what did he do? He wrote what? He wrote a book, yeah. He wrote a book about his autobiography.
Yes, good job.
Okay, what else did he do?
Good job, Addie.
Yes. Right. He got people to really think about slavery and the injustice of it. Okay, important peeps, 1600.
Really randomly.
If this is just for you, what do you want to bet? How much?
600.
Nice job,
Who's here at Tubman? I wish you would have bet more.
She
Wait.
was the woman who would not give up her seat to a.
Rosa Parks.
That was Rosa Parks. Okay, is that 3?
No, that's she was the train.
JFK, who's that? Player 2.
John F. Kennedy.
Uh-huh.
He announced about what was happening down in the South on television, and they wanted to stop.
Okay. All right, add more to that.
I know the quote.
He announced about what's happening down in the South, all about the segregation and the Jim Crow laws and what the sheriffs are doing down there.
Okay, say what you're going to say, Maddie. That's good.
The quote.
Switch.
None of us are free unless all of us are.
Right. That was really good.
I love memorizing stuff.
Okay, Joe and Jesse, here we go.
I'll see you tonight. Science fair. 8 tomorrow night.
What decade did Joe Louis and Jesse Owens gain fame?
They gained it in the 19th century.
The 19 what?
The 19th century. Also in the 1930s.
Somebody has to build it. Buzz in.
She
She just said the answer.
1930s. Someone was it.
1930s.
I just said that.
I know you said 19th century. I had to mark it wrong.
1930s, 40s, 50s, and 60s.
Ninth, that's a century.
She said 19th century, then 1930s.
I know, but I already marked it wrong about that. Okay,
They already have a lot.
decade is 10 years. 19th century is 100 years. And the 19th century actually refers to the 1800s.
Again?
Okay, you get to do it. You. You know all the answers on the civil rights, right? Yeah, you do.
600? No, I know. Wait.
How did defeating German champions make Joe Louis and Jesse Owens heroes?
He kept on, the person that was like, he kept on saying that Germans were better than Americans.
I know. Who was the bad German guy that kept saying that Germans are better? Starts with an H.
No. Don't tell her. You cannot say it.
Smack. Stop hitting me.
Stop.
It's...
Yes! What?
Hey,
How many times do I have to hit break?
hey, sit.
We're down.
The economy of the time also made them heroes. How?
Come on, yes!
It was the Great Depression, and America was really depressed. So when they did something good for the country, it kind of got people's spirits up.
Yeah, that was a really good answer. There's 2 left. Ready? Even though they were temporarily admired, Aiden sits.
Oh, that's it.
What injustice did both of them have to endure?
Okay.
Really?
We want to win. What it was what they got, even though they got.
I can't hear you. Team 3 is about to lose slips.
They got taxed.
Oh, Joe Lewis got taxed on his what?
Because he donated all this money, and then they forgot about it, and they're like, and then they taxed him like a ton of money.
Okay, let's let the next numbers get the last question. Yeah, it is. Segregation would be also segregation. Yeah.
Yeah, but they also got
Hey,
really
can you
bad
guys
tax.
let someone?
Good job, Aaron. Owen. It was not wrong. It's yours.
Okay, I'm picking Daniel. You're not ready. Here we go.
What?
How did the United States government strip Joe Lewis of his lifetime earnings?
Yes. Oh my.
Yes.
The Great Depression. What?
That is definitely not the right answer.
Oh, because I donated like all of his money,
Uh-huh.
and because usually you will get
Hold on. Finish it up.
you will get a tax break
Yeah.
when you donate stuff. Except this time they didn't give him a tax break. So
Okay. There's a final
And
Jeopardy.
now, Final Jeopardy!
it's so
Today's Final Jeopardy category is
Oh, on Dr. King.
No.
Okay, they need whiteboards and markers.
I know nothing about that.